everybody, I'm Allie.
Hi everybody, I'm Hannah. We're going to show you some new products that came into our warehouse this year. So some of the new products that we got into the warehouse is this filigree cut laser heart. It's approximately 2 inches, and it comes with this cute little separate piece that if you wanted to dangle this little separate piece down with a piece of thread or bead it, totally
you can
could.
do that. So it's fun. You can use it as 2 different projects, actually, if you want to, or even hang it down from the middle. They always come with this protective coating on it, so you can tear that off. You can see kind of the natural wood grain. You can use it on either side. And then you may have just caught Anna's video using some of our lucite and some of our flower collections to actually make this really cute little heart ornament, perfect for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. One of the next things that we've had fun with is acquiring and getting a lot of vintage buttons in. So the vintage buttons, we're selling these in mixed packs or mixed collections. So this is representative of one collection. They are all completely different. No two will be the same. And they're really fun having kind of, here's like a little mushroom man and the bell and the sphinx, and you've got a wolf there, a horse, a shoe. What'd you say? It looks like a
Converse.
Converse shoe. You've got your cats. I had to pick this guy up because it was white on one, the little lady there. You have your fancy lady.
Yeah.
So these are a fun collection of buttons. We have them in both the larger buttons and then also this smaller package and this smaller collection of mix. Same thing, no 2 bags will be the same. You get a collection of 10 of the buttons, and they're really fun to use and simple to use at the end of the bracelets. In addition to the Czech buttons here, that are Czech glass, we also have Czech ceramic buttons. So Hannah, let's get some of those out.
All right. So we got some, are these handmade?
They are handmade.
These are handmade ceramic buttons.
Very cool. So you can see when you look at the back of them, you can see that clay backing and they're glazed there in the Czech Republic. Same thing. If you're a knitter or if you do any sort of fiber craft, these are awesome. Cheryl actually made me a scarf with one of them. It was really, really pretty. So there's different size collections. These are the bigger ones. So these are the large size. Most are about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in size. And then we have
we also have a smaller assortment. Of these buttons.
And this is the small size, kind of going in there.
It's quite a few compared to the large pack.
So this is going to be a collection of 10, correct?
Yeah.
Nice. So we get 10 of these little buttons here. And I like, same deal, that they're all different. They all have that fun ceramic glaze on them. And they're just really unique. And yeah, unique is the best word because they're really that fun. Everyone is going to be completely different. So we have large, small,
and that is our
medium
blue collection.
Oh, this is a blue collection.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right. And then what other collections do we have?
We also, the next one we have is the warm collection of those ceramic buttons. So warmer tones,
nice.
Almost a Picasso-esque tone.
Yeah. And a lot of these glazes, some of these almost look raku glazed if you're you're a ceramic artist. These are really pretty.
Oh, these triangles. I really like those.
Yeah, those are fun too. Same deal. If you are a fiber artist, if you make fun natural organic necklaces also, like I love the idea of this as a closure for a leather necklace. Really fun. And then there's a smaller size still, right?
Yeah, we have one more small size.
One more small size.
And I believe these are just small assorted buttons.
Small assorted.
So it might be helpful to just sort them out that way.
Cool. And these are so darn cute.
So cute. I know. I love that little button.
That's cool. I like the little gold foil that they put on there too. So lots of new button collections coming to Potomac Beads this new year as well. This is the start, and I know there's more fun ones to come. Our next products that we wanted to show you was a fun collection of these patina webbed rivolis. And how many do you get in this pack?
You get 14.
14 of them, and they're in really usable colors too. I like these middle ones. We've used them and we've had a couple of these. I remember from the Gatsby bracelet we used one, and we have them in the mixed pack here that you get 14 of them. You get 2 of each of the different styles, and then we also have them individually, right?
Yep, we also have them individually.
So that way you can get, if you just want one of the colors, or say you get the pack and you're like, hey, I'd really love more of those reds, those are there as well too. And these are 14 millimeter. for the rivolis that you can use. Lots and lots of patterns and different project with the 14 millimeter rivolis. And I know they're like one of your favorite things to pick.
Yeah, I love picking rivolis.
Yep, so we just did a Rivoli sale, so
Yeah.
hopefully some of you guys picked this up, and they are still available if you want to check out our Rivolis. So these are the new Patina Web collection of the Rivolis. The other thing that we also have new coming to Potomac all the time are kits. Lots and lots of kits. And we wanted to show you the kits actually that are new this month to kind of highlight our best bead box. So when you're looking at kits and you're thinking about, should I get the kit version of the best bead box? This is actually the kits. They will be closed off and not available after the fact. So if they want the treasure edition, they can still get it if we have any left. But if you want the pattern or the kits version of the best bead box, you're just going to have to buy the kits individually. So this is kind of your last chance if you want to get this combined kit together. So we have the Hugs and Kisses, and that one is by Anna. You can see it has all the nice pearls and all of that in it.
Needle.
Yep. And then this one here is the herringbone 3-drop twisted rope. And then along the back too, you get 2 patterns in one for this one. It is also your Rivoli crystal. They all come with thread and needle, so you can do your project. Lots of usually extras as well. But you're looking at the necklace and the pendant, a $70 kit here and a $40 on this beautiful bracelet. And so is it a better deal to buy the kits independently, or is it a better deal to buy the box?
It would be a better deal to buy the box,
It
right?
would be a better deal to
I was
buy the
gonna
box.
say,
A lot
the
better deal to buy-
pricing.
yeah, a lot better deal to buy the box. So if you want to buy the kit box, we have lots of kits that will be available individually, but also the kit box will give you that great value. And then Jenny just reported to me that she worked hard this last couple weeks and in conjunction with some of our other team, and they got how many patterns? Do you remember?
65 new patterns.
65 new patterns onto the website. So if you ever are trying to check out the patterns and say, I don't know if I want the patterns, the patterns come to you digitally. So that's actually your favorite pattern. So people order them.
Patterns.
Patterns. Order all the patterns.
Don't gotta touch them.
Yeah, don't gotta touch them. They just get ordered. But they have the nice detailed pictures in them, the copy picture, and then also always all the links in case you want to check out more and watch the video, the list of materials and everything. So if you want the patterns individually, those are also available on the website. You can look at your favorite pattern just by looking at your favorite videos. And then on the material list, the pattern should be there. Or if you just type into your search bar on potomacbeads.com pattern, those will come up there as well. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with us a little bit to see our new January products. Also, I wanted to say, you're moving a lot of stuff in the warehouse, right?
Yes, we are.
So we have a ton of items that have been added to our sales category. So if you want to check out that clearance sales category, we'll put a link to that below the video. You can also write suggestions if you ever want to on these for what they'd like to see coming to Potomac Beads. We love to read them and to hang out. So thank you, Hannah, again.
Yeah, thank you, Allie.
You're welcome. And as always, hit that little subscribe button so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more inspirational videos, designs, and products. Bye.